I'm just going to go ahead and put that back in there because now I'm heading to the garage so they can take a look at it and hopefully fit it. But as you can tell by the title, they didn't. And later in the video, I will explain why. So let's go ahead and go there. So we are still on a broken motorcycle, but as you saw before the intro card thing on this video, we have a replacement brake line. So we are now en route to Aldridge to a mechanic to see if they can fit it. Now, a couple of times I have, from muscle memory, just put my foot on the rear brake, and I need to not do that. I also just wanted to point out, hi, 360 camera. Yeah, so we're also testing the DJI OSMO 360 today as well. I want to see if I can get to grips with how to use it, that kind of thing. But even if I can't, it's just a learning curve, isn't it, really? That's it. But yeah, hopefully the image from the 360 camera is okay. It's kind of, I'm gonna get a call from Sky. Like Sky Broadband, what the heck? Not now, bro, I'm driving, stop it. But yeah, from what I can see, the 360 camera is kind of wobbling around a bit on the stick. I don't know if that's like normal or not, but again, this is my first time ever using a 360 camera, so I think the image on this camera looks a little bit better. It's a little bit more zoomed out, which I like. So you can actually kind of see the windscreen and pretty much everything else. And see, I'm not putting my foot on the rear brake this time because I don't want it to leak all over my wheel. Funny enough, I actually used to go to school around here. That's kind of a fun little tidbit, huh? So I've not been around these ends for quite a few years. But I'm hoping that today that they can fix my brake cable. Well, replace it, not fix it. Because usually you need an appointment. There is another place I went to get a quote, and they quoted me about £70, which isn't too bad for an hour's labour. But this place hasn't given me a quote, so I'm assuming it's going to be in roughly the same sort of ballpark area, hopefully. I'm still able to do those slow speed maneuvers just because I know how to ride the friction zone. Alright, so next right. I'll set off in second gear. Let's see if we can do a better U-turn here. I don't have access to my rear brake, so... Okay, so I went totally the wrong way, so I had to kind of figure out what I was doing from there. Right, so we're almost here. So I'm looking for this place right here. Some lovely bikes here. Alright, I'm not sure exactly. I think it's just in there. Alright, hold on.
20 minutes later.
Oh, that Triumph is beautiful. Alright. Let's get going. Alright, so we are en route back home, and the reason that they couldn't fit my brake cable is simply because you need to be with an appointment. So Thursday morning I will be going back there and Laci will be completely fixed. That was a lot easier to get out of than it was to go in, and I did 2 successful U-turns, kinda. Well, one was a little bit wide because I had more space to do so, and the other one, I mean, I feel like I did quite well in the first one. Oh, what an absolutely gorgeous day it is today. I think the highs today are about 28 degrees Celsius. Bro's just wearing shorts and a t-shirt, come on. Okay, my friend. You dress like that and ride like that, I'm sorry, but if you fall, it's kind of on you. I mean, I'm happy that... Okay, so basically, Thursday might seem like a long way away, but it's only Monday today, and I've got content lined up for the week, so I'm happy. The last place I went to that actually gave me a quote... well, this place actually gave me a quote when I was there, so it'd be about £120, which I'm fine, because I'm basically paying to expedite it, because the place that I went to and actually got a quote online said that it'd be about £70, like I said earlier on in the video, but they also said that the earliest they could fit me in would be July 10th.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Which I don't understand. I mean, yeah, I mean, they've got to be good because they're fully booked, right? I will also say that he charged me, well, he quoted me £120 because it'd be like £90 plus VAT, hour and a half labour. I mean, come on, that's not bad for an hour and a half's labour, is it? I don't know if you can see, but there's a cute little dog in the Skoda in front. Well, they're just wearing tracksuit bottoms. I don't care if you're on a small CC machine, like that looks like a 50cc scooter, but I'm on a 125cc bike. That's not a big CC machine. And I'm still wearing full protective clothing. Like, yeah, helmets are the only legal thing that you have to wear in order to ride. Like a motorcycle or a moped or a scooter or whatever you want to call them. Doesn't matter what size the engine is. Please wear protective clothing. I'm not kidding. Like, seriously, please.
Stop it. Get some help.
It's the easiest I've ever cleared that junction, I ain't even gonna lie. Yeah, basically that is gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the 360 camera, because honestly, I love the field of view in this one. Yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, so my 360 camera overheated. My apologies for that. But I am going to end off this video here. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for my video, which is coming up next. The next video I upload, I don't know when this is going out. I've completely lost track of what video. I think it's going to be going out on the Wednesday then. I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong. But anyway, thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.